Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrainingsystem.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. This is the chart. This is gold weekly chart I made on September 2nd. Right, my first scenario was that it's going to break this 1959 after bouncing from 1877 and then go to the upside. The second scenario was that if we fail to bounce, like I said, that if this holds and we drop, we'll go back to 1877 or maybe all the way to 1802. So what happened to this chart? Later on, this happened. So we came very close to 1802 and then bounced. We started to bounce, and I said, okay, now we're going to go back to this. Again, back to 1959. Of course, we have to break this 1877, then 1920, and then we get to 1599, break that, and we will be going to the upside to where? Actually, we are going to finish up this wave 5 here. This wave 5. This is like wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and then wave 5. So either we're going to go there in 3 waves or maybe only, 3 waves or 5 waves, right? So if it is going to be in 3 waves, this is wave 1, 2, and then now we're going to go up for wave 3. So what happened to this chart that I made that is going to go up to the upside is this. Currently, right now, you can see this is what we are doing. So we bounce exactly from here after I made that chart on the 7th and today 17th, and we are just above 1920. We already broke above 1920, and we are like testing and sitting above it, right? My 40-minute chart will show you that this is what's happening right now. See this white line here, 1920, we are bouncing from there and trying to go up again to the upside. So this is where we stand. If we can stay above 1920, we will go back to 1959, break that, 1998, 65, all of these numbers one by one, and then finally 2070, break that, and we will be able to go towards this wave 5. All right. So I would say that this is wave 1, 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5, whatever. But right now we are going to the upside. Maybe it is for wave 3. All right. So this is it for now. By the way, going to the upside from there, that time, so far I had these two. This one on the 19th. You see that? Buy order here from 1850 to 1863. Another one I took is from 1857 to 1874 on the 11th. That was on the 9th. This is on the 11th. So this is the beauty about the analysis, that once you have it, once you know where the direction is, then you can use my system or any other system that is, profitable. You can use it and then take your entries and go in that direction. Simple as that. All right. So more to come in the gold. Remember, above 1920. 1920 is the key number right now. So tonight is going to be Wednesday night. And right now it's like, Tuesday, 8:56 p.m. So Wednesday, probably gold is going to go up again. And following, Thursday and Friday. So this week, still, I think that the gold is to the upside. All right. So, manage accordingly. And this is it. So I'm going to upload this on the YouTube after I finish it, after converting. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, my analysis, and all of that, then you can go to my website here, creativetrainingsystems.com. Monthly subscription, 6-week, yearly, lifetime, whatever, and one-on-one coaching here as well, right? And if you want to get this EA robot, which opens the trade automatically, close it, move the SL to break even, all of that, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's right here. All right. If you need more information, email me on myforestmagicwave@gmail.com. Okay. So this is the current chart, and this is not the current chart. This is the current gold chart. Once again, we are just above 1920, trying to bounce. Next target is 1959. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.